Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Today we're exploring Loopring, a protocol aimed at revolutionizing decentralized exchanges. Found at loopring.org, this platform offers a unique approach to trading cryptocurrencies, emphasizing security, speed, and cost-effectiveness. Instead of relying on traditional order books like centralized exchanges, Loopring leverages the power of zk-rollups, a Layer 2 scaling solution. This innovative technology allows multiple transactions to be bundled together off-chain and then verified on the Ethereum blockchain as a single transaction. What's the advantage? Well, by processing trades off-chain, Loopring dramatically reduces the gas fees typically associated with Ethereum transactions. This makes trading more accessible and efficient, especially for smaller trades that might otherwise be rendered impractical by high gas costs. Furthermore, zk-rollups enhance security by cryptographically proving the validity of the bundled transactions without revealing all the transaction details, preserving user privacy. Loopring isn't just a protocol, it's a whole ecosystem. It empowers developers to build their own decentralized exchanges and other applications using its technology. This fosters innovation and competition within the DeFi space, ultimately benefiting users. The protocol's open-source nature also promotes transparency and community involvement, further strengthening its credibility. If you're looking to delve deeper into the specifics, be sure to visit loopring.org where you can access detailed documentation, explore the various projects built on Loopring, and get a comprehensive overview of their technology. They also have active community forums and social media channels, which provide valuable insights and updates. Loopring represents a compelling approach to decentralized trading, offering a potential solution to the scalability and cost challenges that have long plagued the Ethereum network. By combining the security of the blockchain with the efficiency of off-chain processing, Loopring strives to create a more streamlined and accessible experience for cryptocurrency traders and developers alike. Learn more and get involved at loopring.org.